Do some areas of your home never feel quite comfortable? Traditional HVAC systems don't always deliver consistent comfort to every space. That's where ductless HVAC systems come in. Homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for expert ductless solutions. Our team helps design and install systems that deliver targeted heating and cooling exactly where you need it. Ductless systems don't require traditional ductwork, making them ideal for older homes, additions, and hard-to-reach areas. They operate quietly, improve energy efficiency, and allow you to control temperatures in individual rooms. With zoned comfort and flexible control, you can customize your home's climate to match your lifestyle. We ensure every system is installed with precision for optimal performance and long-term reliability. The result is improved comfort, energy savings, and a more efficient home environment. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations and dependable service every step of the way. Upgrade your comfort with a smarter HVAC solution. How do ductless HVAC systems work? Ductless systems transfer heat between indoor and outdoor units using refrigerant lines, allowing them to both cool and heat indoor spaces efficiently. What are the benefits of ductless HVAC systems? Benefits include energy efficiency, zone temperature control, easy installation, quiet operation, and improved indoor air quality. Are ductless HVAC systems energy efficient? Yes. Ductless systems eliminate energy loss associated with ductwork and often have high efficiency ratings. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road No. 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.